Namaste. I am Muralidharan from Chennai Finance. First of all, I congratulate Bilaspur Sindhi Central Panchayat for marking a special day to celebrate, to preserve, propagate Sindhi music and Sindhi Nava instruments. It is a great thinking by them. This Utsav has been named as a Sindhi Lok Sangeet Utsav. It is a beautiful name by itself. It is a pride not only for Sindhi music, it is also for Indian classical music. We are more delighted because the last 2 decades in Chennai Finance, we have been celebrating the instrumental series, especially very rare instrumental series of South Indian classical music under the banner of Vishesha Vadyanubhava. So when we heard this news, we are very delighted. So what we'll do for this? So from next year onwards, on this special day, 4th Sunday of June, we also join with you to celebrate Sindhi music. That is how we can contribute to the Indian classical music. We are very proud of you, sir. Once again, we congratulate Bilaspur Sindhi Central Panchayat for making this day. I wish that this day will mark like other world special days. Thank you very much. Namaskar.